Imagine waking up one day to find that your job no longer exists, taken over by a machine. Or maybe, instead, you find yourself in a brand new role that never existed before. Which future will AI bring us? Will it destroy jobs or create opportunities we've never dreamed of? Welcome to our deep dive into the future of work. Will AI create or destroy jobs? Today, we're exploring one of the biggest questions facing humanity in the 21st century. If you're wondering whether your career is safe or if the rise of artificial intelligence could actually be the best thing to happen to your work life, stick around because the answer might surprise you. AI has already taken over jobs that were once thought to be irreplaceable. Think about self-driving cars replacing delivery drivers or automated customer service bots managing inquiries. But wait, what if I told you that AI has also created entirely new industries, jobs like AI trainers, data annotators, and prompt engineers? The question isn't just if AI will take jobs, but which jobs will be created in the aftermath. Let's start with the scary part: job destruction. A study by Oxford University estimates that nearly 47% of jobs could be automated in the next 20 years. Routine tasks, from data entry to manufacturing line work, are at the highest risk. If your job can be broken down into a set of predictable tasks, there's a good chance AI is coming for it. But that's not the full story. Now, let's talk about the other side of the coin: job creation. History shows us that technological advances don't just destroy jobs, they create them. Think back to the Industrial Revolution. Millions of farm jobs were lost, but factories, engineering, and eventually whole new careers emerged. AI is similar. It's giving rise to new roles that are just now being defined: machine learning specialists, AI ethicists, and even robot psychologists. Yes, that's a real thing. You might be thinking, that's interesting, but what about my job? Great question. It's not just about whether AI can replace your work, it's about whether AI can enhance it. AI is incredible at doing the tedious stuff: analyzing data, predicting trends, answering repetitive questions, which means you could have more time to focus on creativity, strategy, and those parts of your job that require the human touch. The truth is, the future belongs to those who adapt. The jobs that thrive will be the ones that leverage human creativity, emotional intelligence, and strategic thinking, qualities that AI still struggles to replicate. If we focus on res-killing and developing talents that complement AI, we can turn this wave of technology into a huge opportunity instead of a threat. In fact, the World Economic Forum predicts that AI will create 97 million new jobs by 2025, but the key is being ready for those changes. So, what can you do today to prepare for tomorrow? Think about how you can future-proof yourself. Can you learn to work with AI rather than against it? Maybe you've heard of ChatGPT, the very AI behind this video. It's already helping content creators, teachers, and business owners get ahead. Imagine what you could do if you learned how to harness it rather than fear it. The future of work is not set in stone. It's being written right now by all of us. AI will change the job market, but it's up to us to decide whether that change will be empowering or displacing. Will we let the fear of job loss paralyze us, or will we embrace the opportunities to innovate, create, and redefine work as we know it? So, what do you think? Will AI create or destroy more jobs? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this thought-provoking, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech shaping our world.